Your home is your sanctuary, a place where you and your loved ones feel safe and secure. But fire can strike unexpectedly, turning that haven into a nightmare. That's why fire safety is paramount. Today we're going to guide you on the proper placement of smoke detectors in your home, adhering to the latest New York State fire safety regulations. By following these guidelines, you can ensure your home is equipped with the necessary safeguards to protect your family from potential fire hazards. According to New York State Fire Code, smoke detectors must be installed in the following locations: over every level of the home. This includes the basement, ground floor, and all upper floors. Inside bedrooms, smoke detectors should be installed inside each bedroom, preferably on the ceiling within 10 feet of the floor. Outside sleeping areas. For areas like living rooms, family rooms, and dens, install smoke detectors on the ceiling within 10 feet of the floor. In hallways, place smoke detectors on the ceiling of each hallway leading to bedrooms or sleeping areas. On the basement stairs, install a smoke detector on the ceiling at the top of the basement stairs. Remember, smoke detectors are crucial for every fire detection, providing you and your family with valuable time to evacuate safely. Regularly test your smoke detectors monthly and replace the batteries annually to ensure they remain the optimal working condition. At firealarm.com, we prioritize your safety. We offer a wide range of high-quality smoke detectors and fire safety products to safeguard your home and protect your loved ones. So visit our website here at www.firealarm.com to explore our comprehensive selection and find the perfect solution for your fire safety needs. Don't wait till it's too late. Make fire safety a priority today. Protect your home, protect your family, and choose firealarm.com for your peace of mind. At firealarm.com, the #1 trusted source for fire and life safety.